So this is the next topic, accounting treatment of goodwill. At the time of the retirement of a partner, retiring partner's share of goodwill is distributed among the remaining partners or the partners who are left after the retiring partner. So the treatment of deceased partner or a goodwill at the time of retirement, the goodwill treatment are distributed in the two cases mainly. The first case is when the goodwill is existing in the books. So when the goodwill is existing in the books, it means if goodwill is shown at the asset side of the balance sheet. The first case is when goodwill is shown at the asset side of the balance sheet or goodwill is existing in the books. So the treatment of this entry is same as an addition. While at the time of the retirement, if goodwill is shown at the asset side of the balance sheet, so the treatment of goodwill is old partner's capital account debited to goodwill account, being existing goodwill written off by old partner in old ratio. So all the partners at the time of the retirement, if A, B and C are partners, if B is retired and the goodwill at the time of the retirement is shown in the existing balance sheet, so this goodwill is distributed between A, B and C are debited and the goodwill is credited, and the distribution of the goodwill is in the old profit sharing ratio between old partners. So the second case, in the second case, at the time of the retirement, retiring partner's share of goodwill is distributed between between remaining partners in their sacrificing ratio. So this is a treatment, distribution of retiring partner's share of goodwill. While at the time of the retirement, always the value of firm goodwill is given. While the firm's goodwill is given, first of all we calculate the retiring partner share. After calculating the retiring partner share, we are calculating the retiring partner share of goodwill. The firm goodwill at the time of the retirement is given. So retiring partner share into this firm's goodwill, and the solution and the value is to be comes at retiring partner share of goodwill. That retiring partner share of goodwill is distributed among the remaining partners or gaining partners in their gaining ratio between the remaining partners. So the journal entry passed to distribute the retiring partner share of goodwill is continuing partners capital account debited, continuing or remaining. After it means A, B and C are partners. If B is retired, then remaining and the continuing partners are A and C. So A's capital account debited, C's capital account debited to retiring partner. Their retiring partner is B. So B's capital account is credited. So the journal entry is continuing partners capital account debited to retiring partners capital account. Adjustment of goodwill to continuing partners in their gaining ratio. So this is distributed in the remaining partners in their gaining ratio. But in this type of question, if any time we are calculating the ratio after the retirement and one partner may gain and another partner is sacrificed, means while we are calculating the gaining ratio is equal to old minus new. While we are calculating A and C share, in which A is gaining and C is sacrifice. So the journal entry passed. The treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement is gaining partners capital account debited, gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners capital account to retiring partners capital account. This one journal entry is passed if there is any, while we are putting the formula of gaining ratio and we are the one partner may sacrifice, another partner may gain, then the journal entry is gaining partners capital account debited to sacrifice sacrificing partners capital account to retiring partners capital account. Thank you and have a nice day.